Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by preparing both devices, power on the Poly headset, and ensure it has at least 20% charge so pairing won't drop mid-process. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This lets the phone scan for new devices. Put the headset into pairing mode, usually by holding the power button or a dedicated pairing key, and watch for the LED pattern that confirms pairing mode. Once the phone detects the headset, select it to initiate the connection. After your phone detects the Poly headset, tap the headset name in the Bluetooth list to start pairing. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000 or follow the prompt shown on the screen. This verifies both devices. Make sure to grant permissions for calls and media when the phone asks, because that enables audio routing. Once paired, set the headset as the default audio device for calls and media in Bluetooth settings, so sound automatically goes through the headset without manual. To finish, place a test call and play a media file to confirm microphone and speaker function. Adjust volume from the headset and phone if needed. If audio is distorted or features are missing, install Poly's companion app to check for firmware updates. Updated firmware resolves many compatibility issues. If pairing still fails, restart both phone and headset, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, then repair. This resets cached profiles and often fixes persistent connection errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.